Hello friends, it's AJ here. I just wanted to show you one of my favorite ways to add a vegetable side to any meal I'm making is just to juice a whole bunch of vegetables and drink them. That way you're getting your raw veggies in. And I like to use my Omega juicer, which Storm recommended to me, and it's been the most amazing device. And it has this auger which just slowly grinds and masticates like you're chewing the vegetables, and spits all of the remaining stuff into this bucket, so that's just the dry part of the vegetable left.
Is that for your Instagram?
Yeah, and for Facebook. And then this is a filter that goes on to filter out a lot of the pulp. And the juice I'm going to make today is called Kapple Juice. It has one apple, which, yes, it has sugar in it, but it's split between all 6 of us. A couple of cucumbers, lemon. This right here is a piece of ginger. And then it has kale and spinach. So here we go. Let's juice it up. I'll give you an idea and fast forward to the end, or else this will take forever.
This thing fell off. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go.
You can see the stuff coming out the other side. What I do is I juice everything, and then I put it in a large pitcher, and I put some water on top and ice. And everybody gets some juice with their breakfast. Alright, well, I got nearly everything done here. I forgot to tell you about the parsley. I get like a handful of parsley and I stick it in there, stems and all. Alright, you guys can see how much this made and how dry this stuff is. I feel like it could go through another time and get more liquid out, but I'm too lazy for that. And I also took about half of the spinach here that I showed you before. And here's the stuff that already filled up the cup. You can see it's starting to separate, so when I get done, I'll be mixing that with some water and ice to make sure it goes all the way up to the top.